Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new 2020 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. This is an absolutely phenomenal boat, great layout, as you can see in the back, a couple speakers. Inside the boat, there's seats on the exterior, great for lounging, a cooler on each side, got a radio controller in the back. Nice loungers, there's flip-down armrests, cup holders. There's nice storage spots here on the back side with a little netting for a phone. Dressing room underneath that pull-out. There's a subwoofer, got in-floor storage, got great upgraded flooring, the great two-tone upholstery. Just looks amazing. Here at the helm, we have the amazing crown helm. It's the top helm in the area here. It's got auto trim. It's got digital throttle. It's powered by a 300 horsepower Mercury engine. A great boat. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. As always, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.